In today's video, we're going to talk about what happens to your body when you eat too much protein. Protein is an essential nutrient that our bodies need for growth, repair, and maintenance of tissues. However, when we consume too much protein, it can have several negative effects on our health. Firstly, excess protein can put a strain on your kidneys. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering waste products from your blood and excreting them through your urine. When you eat too much protein, your kidneys have to work harder to eliminate the excess nitrogen waste that is produced when protein is broken down. This can cause kidney damage or worsen existing kidney problems. Secondly, consuming too much protein can lead to dehydration. When your body breaks down protein, it produces urea, which is eliminated through your urine. To excrete this waste, your body needs water. If you don't drink enough water, your body will become dehydrated, which can cause a host of problems, such as fatigue, dizziness, and constipation. Thirdly, consuming too much protein can cause gastrointestinal problems. Protein takes longer to digest than carbohydrates or fats, and when you eat too much of it, it can cause digestive discomfort, such as bloating, constipation, and diarrhea. Lastly, consuming too much protein can lead to weight gain. Many high-protein foods are also high in calories, and when you eat too many calories, your body stores the excess energy as fat. The amount of protein required for muscle building varies depending on several factors, such as age, gender, body weight, and activity level. However, a general guideline for most people looking to build muscle is to consume between 1.2 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. For example, if you weigh 70 kilograms, you would aim to consume between 84 to 140 grams of protein per day. It's important to spread your protein intake throughout the day, rather than consuming a large amount in one sitting, to optimize muscle protein synthesis. It's also important to note that while protein is essential for muscle building, it's not the only nutrient you need. Carbohydrates and healthy fats are also important for providing energy and supporting overall health and well-being. Additionally, the timing of protein consumption can also play a role in muscle building. Consuming protein within 30 minutes to an hour after a workout can help maximize muscle protein synthesis and aid in recovery. Overall, meeting your protein needs through a balanced diet that includes a variety of protein sources, combined with regular exercise and adequate rest, can help support muscle building and overall health. In conclusion, while protein is an essential nutrient that our bodies need, it's important to consume it in moderation. Consuming too much protein can cause several negative effects on our health, including kidney damage, dehydration, gastrointestinal problems, and weight gain. If you're looking to increase your protein intake, make sure you're doing it in a healthy and balanced way by incorporating a variety of protein sources into your diet and monitoring your overall calorie intake. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for great health and fitness content.